Hey guys, YouTube family, what's up? We've just arrived at Kaneyamaen. We're here for one night because it is pricey. We really wanted to check it out. Come with me, let's check out the room. You come in, you take off your shoes and you've got slippers. And now for the best part of the room, guys. Private onsen. So we've got our nice his and hers. And yeah, we've got our shower area to shower down before and after getting in to
natural spring onsen.
Natural spring, hot spring onsen. Look at that. Oh, it feels just right to get in as well. Right here, you've got your toilet, bidet standard, toilet shoes, very important. They are for the toilet, for this area only, so do not wear them out of here. We can move on to the main room itself. Got a nice TV.
Tatami room. And they will change this area into our futon beds whilst we're having dinner.
Yeah. We've chosen our yukatas, which we will be wearing for dinner. We're going to be having dinner and then going to the drum ceremony, so that will be cool. Look at storage space. You got safes down here. PJs. I'm looking forward to the PJs. Check these out, guys. Wow. I love the colour. It's a nice colour. Not my colours, but it's still nice.
In a traditional household, you would have a table, and this is sunken in for your feet, and it's supposed to keep you warm in the winter. At the moment, it's actually quite warm, so it's not switched on, but it's lovely and big. Then look at this view. This is the front. This is just a small part of the garden. On the other side, they've got a huge garden that you can walk around. But if I twist you over, you will see, or not see, Fuji-san, which should be right here. Kaiseki at Kaneyamaen. I hope I said that right. I'm really sorry if I didn't. Wow. And look at this handsome man here. It's good. You should really eat it whilst it's warm. Yes. This is your Japanese sea bass. Let me know what you think. That's lotus root. That's your Japanese sea bass. Try.
Got a little bit of soy sauce.
Okay.
tender.
Anything else?
It's been cooked well.
I sure hope so. Wow, look at the fire.
It's nice. Tastes like fish cake.
Ah, okay. I love you.
I don't know you.
Even the toilets look amazing. With the umbrellas. Oh, wow, look at these trees. Oh.